Hello traders. This video is about a bullish watch list. A bullish watch list. A bullish watch list is a list of financial instruments that a trader is watching in view to look for an opportunity to buy. Very often professional will send a list of stock to traders and will say this is a bullish list, and sometimes they may send another list that they will call a bearish list. A bearish list is a list of stock that traders are watching, looking for an opportunity to sell. But very often what usually takes place when a trader is sending a list to other traders saying that this is a bullish list, very often unexperienced traders, those who are new traders, will just buy because the title it was a bullish list. And also on the other hand, if it's about a bearish list or a professional send you a bearish list, some trader will just go and sell. That's completely wrong. That's completely wrong. And I would like to say this before I continue with this video, so you do not get into the same trap. The title of this video is a bullish list, but it does not mean that you will go and just place order to buy. It means that we are watching, and if we receive a clear-cut signal to buy, we will buy. But if we receive a signal to sell, we will sell too. You understand? So we are not trying to be in one direction. We want to be a bi-directional traders. So we can sell and we can buy. It's not because a stock is listed in a bullish watch list that one must by all means buy it. Now another thing that I need to start here, some traders are very impatient, and also other traders are very enthusiastic. So they will watch a video, they get very enthusiastic about it, especially if you are new trader. You are very enthusiastic, you are ready for it, you are out for it, so to speak, you are gagging for it, if I'm allowed to use that word on YouTube. This kind of thing, people get a bit excited. But I mean, what I will say to you, do not get into that mode. Another thing I will say to you is that anytime somebody is giving you a bullish watch list, you are trading the market first, talking about the trading triangle, the market first, the sector and individual financial instrument. Also, the inside of the trading triangle, we have the leaders, the news and the fundamental. Now, when you are looking at a bullish watch list, you must do also your due diligence, checking the balance sheet, comparing the short-term debt, short-term liability to the current asset to know whether the company can afford to pay their short-term debt. Very important. And also you check the cash flow. As I explained to you last time talking about Google Finance and the financial, you can perfectly go to Yahoo Finance or Google Finance to do your due diligence regarding your bullish watch list. In this bullish watch list, I will talk about one single financial instrument. So it's not in fact a list, it's just a stock that one can perfectly watch. But before I continue, I will also say to you that we are expecting the S&P 500, talking about the market and the trading triangle, to give us a clear-cut double bottom pattern on a weekly chart. That will give to us a strong foundation on which we can start a new bullish cycle. Because the way things stand now, it's not very appealing to myself. That's my personal view. The market can continue to go up on all the blah will continue, but I'm not very enthusiastic to be bullish right now. So anytime you are buying, be very careful, and also manage your trade carefully and bank your profit. Very important. So though I'm talking about bullish watch list, it's not for my heart, it's for my mind. So watch it carefully. So don't get too excited about this kind of thing. If the market starts going down, it will force many stocks that look bullish to the downside. So be aware of that. The same rule you apply yourself. If you are doing your watch list, you are preparing your own watch list. You are looking at stock, you get into the same mode. The yellow line here, that's the smart media line for Microsoft. We are looking at Microsoft on the yearly chart. The smart media line for Microsoft, the exact level, do not pay attention to the figures here, is at 2541. 2541, that's the smart media line for Microsoft. In fact, this level is a very important zone. This zone of 2541 up to 26 is in fact a very important zone, because most of the small median line in the previous year were stuck in this zone. Okay, so it's a very important region for Microsoft. This level of 2540, very, very important level. So in fact, you can say from 2500 up to 2600 is a very important zone. We have many small media lines stuck in that zone. If you do not know what we are talking about small media line, you can go to www.articlebase.com and look for the article that I put there, trading critical price level. Trading critical price level. That we have in total 6 critical price level: CPL number 1, critical price level number 1, CPL number 2, CPL number 3, CPL number 4, critical price level number 4, CPL 5, which is the CPL 5 is the opening price of the current year. And CPL 6 is the small median line, which is the yellow line here, the most influential critical price level. As I told you before, do not trade any financial instrument without knowing where is the current critical price level. Talking about dynamic small median line and a static small median line. Very, very important. Okay, so check it out. Trading critical price level at articlebase.com. So we know now our critical price level for Microsoft. This is the technical fair value of Microsoft. But now we will go to the balance sheet that I explained to you last time, talking about the financial, check the fundamental fair value, the P/E ratio, and all the rest. I'm not going to talk about that now. I will just go directly, to the point, talking about a bullish watch list. Okay. Now, if you are trading for us, you can learn something from this video also. It doesn't matter, so you can continue to watch this video and know exactly what we are talking about. This is not a signal to buy Microsoft. This is not a signal to sell Microsoft. Okay, very important. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither solicitation nor offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWS008 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-market.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. You may find this as a bit of blah blah blah, but it's a very, very important thing. Okay. Now, so the price is now in the region of the small median line, above it. In fact, the price deviated, departed from the small median line for a while. Talking about the current 5 years, this session here, that's the current 5 years. Okay, it went a bit far away, but now we are now sitting on it. In fact, the price retraced to retest the small median line. Now it starts turning around here. It's looking good, but it doesn't mean go and buy. Okay, all right. Now let's move on now from the yearly chart. Is what we see if we start drawing some lines for fun, as I always like to do. So once you start drawing lines, you see clearly what's taking place. You draw a line here on the yearly chart. Okay, now I'm on the wrong place. Okay, let's start it from here, something like this. It's not bad. Okay, so in fact, this yellow line is very, you see the angle here, very nice angle here. Now the price gain went down this yearly chart. Okay, we can see that we are breaking above it a bit. So that's all I can draw on this yearly chart. Okay, so not much I can say here, but the most important thing I'm looking at here is the small median line. Okay. Now, also the CPL5, which is the opening price level of this year, the price above the opening price. We are in the bullish session. Okay. Going into the quarterly chart, looking at Microsoft, I want to go fast. Okay. Moment please, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to make it bigger now, and we'll all be happy. Okay, so this is on the quarterly chart. What do we see? A consolidation session. Okay, the blue line on the top here, this is what we call the smart high. The smart high is the high of the range of the current 5 year. You can go and check it at the articlebase.com, trading critical price level. Okay, this line here that I'm going to change now into white, that's this is the smart low. That's the low of the range of the current 5 years. In fact, the price consolidating between the two levels right now, you see. So it's a consolidation mode. We touched it here. We went to above the median line. We retest it. Now it looks like we are going up at the moment. But do not forget the trading triangle and the fundamental. Okay, this is what we are talking about. Okay. Now also I'm going to go now to I'm going to move very fast. I'm going to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, what do we see for Microsoft? It looks to me, in my view, that we have a kind of an inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is a chart pattern. This is not a market pattern. As a swing trader, you must give priority to the market pattern, not the price pattern, because there are plenty of fake price pattern. Okay, so do not rely on the price pattern. Rely on the market pattern. An overtrader. Okay, so this is what we see on the monthly chart. In my view is not a science. I always say to traders, if you disregard that, it's your own problem. Okay, we are expecting the Microsoft, okay, to continue the movement steadily, okay, to the upside, and to read my turquoise line, okay. So if I use my arrow here, to continue the movement steadily and to hit the first target in the zone of 3200, 3200. Nothing is stopping Microsoft to disobey what I'm expecting for Microsoft, and to turn around and to continue the movement to the downside. Nothing. And if that is happening, we will sell instead. Okay? Right now, as I'm speaking to you, I'm just looking at the chart. If you receive a signal to buy, if you are not already in this trend, if you receive a signal to buy, and it's a valid signal, you will take it, and your first target is 3200. Now, if that target is reached, the next target is somewhere here above it. The level I'm talking about, I'm going to draw another line there. I'll color it again in turquoise again, and that target will be 3400. If the price reaches the 3200 target, and you were stubborn, you didn't take profit, and the price continue the movement to 34 in the region of 3400, you must take your profit. You must take your profit. Okay? You must take your profit. If the market accepted what is going on, and they are very, very aggressive buyers, they may even push the price into the upper bound in the zone of 30, in the zone of 3003, my apology, in the zone of 36, my apology, in the zone of 3600. I'll color that line again in turquoise again for you. So the first target 3200, next target 3400, a third target 3600. If the market continue the movement, if the S&P start declining to the downside, start going down, there's a high chance that Microsoft will follow suit and continue the movement also to the downside. Okay, so this is not a signal to buy Microsoft. This is not a signal to sell Microsoft. This is just technical analysis talking about the small median line, the critical price level, and what we put in on a bullish watch list is just we put it on a bullish watch list this Microsoft stock. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video about a bullish watch list that you will put into use in order to make a better trading decision. As always, do not assume anything, but follow the price itself, the number one indicator. Okay? Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders.